Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to create the dotted halftone pattern effect in Canva, easy Canva tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just head on to canva.com first, choosing the template to get redirected here onto the editing page. Now once in, what we need to do is to add in your photo first. So you could upload that one here under uploads, but since I don't have a photo onto my end, let's try to use something in here in the elements. So you could see some photos in here, for example, this one. Let's try to edit this image first and remove its background. Now once done, let's resize this first and let's position this. Now right after that, to go ahead and create the dotted halftone pattern, let's just go ahead and head here onto the left side and click onto apps. So you should be able to see a search bar in here, and onto the search bar, we're going to go ahead and try to search for screen. You should be able to find this one, click onto this, and you should be able to see a lot of effect that you could apply. So we have halftone in here. So let's select the image first to go ahead and apply an effect, and it should go ahead and give you an option to click onto this already. So just click onto halftone, and then right after you should be able to readjust this. You could adjust the halftone amount for that, the halftone scale, the lino cut amount, and also its scale. So just adjust this as per your liking. And once you're already satisfied, just click on to save. And right after, this is how your photo should look like. And that is just basically it, how you create the dotted halftone pattern effect in Canva. If you think this has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.